How to fix the Windows Update error 0x80070103 in Windows 11. Driver install error 0x80070103 is a common Windows issue. It usually happens when the system tries to install a driver that's already on the machine or even an older version. These failed attempts can prevent essential updates from installing and may leave the system unstable. In this video, we'll walk through a few quick fixes IT admins can use to resolve it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites for troubleshooting the 0x80070103 error code. Before we dive in, keep these system and access requirements in mind. You'll need administrative access to troubleshoot. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for Microsoft Update. Note the affected device name and driver version. You may also have to back up custom drivers or create a system restore point as an optional step. And a quick reminder, the Group Policy Editor is only available in Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. Method 1. Hide the update using the Windows Update Show/Hide Troubleshooter. You might need to use the Windows Update Show/Hide Troubleshooter, also called wu-show-hide.diag-cab. This deprecated tool is no longer built into Windows, so you'll have to download it separately. Once installed, open the tool and click Next. Select Hide Updates and then choose the driver update that's causing the 0x80070103 error. Then click Next and follow the steps that pop up. This will block Windows from trying to reinstall that problematic update. Method 2. Disable driver updates via group policy. This approach is best suited for enterprise setups, but note that it will block all new drivers from installing automatically through Windows Update. For this method, press Win+R, type gpedit.msc, and hit OK to open local group policy. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Do not include drivers with Windows updates. Set it to Enabled, apply the changes, and run gpupdate/force to push it right away. Method 3. Remove the driver using Device Manager and update it manually. For the third method, press Win+R, type devmgmt.msc, and hit OK to open Device Manager. Find the device linked to the 0x80070103 error, right-click it, and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC and let Windows reinstall the stable driver automatically. For fewer conflicts, you can also grab the latest driver directly from the manufacturer's website. Method 4. Use PowerShell to identify and block driver updates. First, check recent failed driver updates by running git windows update log. To remove a specific update or driver, run. Automatic driver and feature updates are convenient for most users, but power users and IT admins often prefer manual updates to stay in control and support specific hardware needs. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix the Windows Update error linked in the description below.